Hello everyone, my name is João, and today we are going to learn how to integrate GitHub Actions with some message tools. I'm talking about Telegram, WhatsApp and Slack, so let's jump right in. First of all, I'm going to create a new repository and call it tutorial. I will leave as public and create repository. I'm going to select Actions and select set up this workflow. This is just the default workflow, and I'm going to call it notifier. And I will leave as it is. And start commit, and create notifier EML, and commit new file. So, after doing this, if we go to Actions, we are going to see that the GitHub Actions started running our CI. This pipeline was very simple. It took only 4 seconds to execute. So let's edit our EML file. To do this, I'm going to clone this repo. I'm going to use HTTPS. The EML file is inside a hidden folder, so in Mac, for us to see the hidden folders, we can use the shortcut Command-Shift dot that will show all the hidden folders. And inside .github, we have the workflows folder, and here we have the notifier EML that we just created. First of all, let's implement the Telegram notifier. I'm going to copy the EML instructions that is available in my article, that I will leave the link in the description, and we'll paste here on the notifier EML. I will save this file and prepare the commit. Before pushing our new notifier, we need to create the secrets on our repository. We need a Telegram token and a Telegram chat ID. Those two parameters comes from a Telegram bot and a Telegram chat. To create our Telegram bot, we need to follow the documentation of Botfather. We need to access the Botfather link that I will leave in the description with the device that has Telegram installed. So I will open this website with my cell phone. Now I'm going to click Send Message and open Telegram. I can now click Start, and the bot will send me all the options that I have. I will select New Bot from the menu. The name of my bot is going to be Tutorial Bot. Now we need to create a username for our Telegram bot. This is a unique username that will be associated with your bot, so let's create it. Now that I created the bot, I have a big code here that is my token. Now we need to start a new chat with our bot, so we are going to copy the username that we just created and create a new chat by searching the username of our bot. Now we can select Start. After sending a message, we can now get the chat ID. Let's get the chat ID by using this URL and replacing token with our token that we have. And now we get the ID that is going to be here. Now that we have the token and the chat ID, we can now create our secrets on our repo. So let's go to Settings, Secrets, and Actions. Now we can create our Telegram token and paste it here, and a new secret for the chat ID that is going to be called Telegram 2. After doing this, we are good to go. We can now push the changes that we made on the notifier EML. After pushing, we can see in the actions that GitHub Actions just completed running the CI, and we already received a message on our Telegram. So, we have finished learning how to integrate with Telegram. We can see that it took only 80 seconds for GitHub Actions to execute our continuous integration. And that's it for Telegram. Let's go to WhatsApp. Let's go to the article and copy the notifier for WhatsApp. We can add the notifier here on our notifier EML. And as we can see, the notifier has some secrets that we are going to add in the secrets of our repo. It's important for you to know that we are going to use Twilio. That is a third-party service. It's a paid service, and for us, we are going to use the free tier of the tool. Now we can prepare the commit. I will leave the link of the Twilio registration in the description of the video. After creating an account, you can see the dashboard by clicking here, and we can copy the account ID and authentication token to create our secrets of our repo. So let's do this. Let's go to Settings, Secrets, Actions, and New Repository Secret. The name of the secret is going to be Twilio account SID. And here we can paste the code that we copied here. Now let's create a new secret for the token that is going to be called Twilio Auth token. And we can copy this token here. Now we can create a third secret for the number that is going to be named Twilio to WhatsApp no. Here we are going to add our phone number that has WhatsApp in this format. After configuring our secrets, let's go to Twilio, Messaging, try it out, and send a WhatsApp message. Now let's open WhatsApp and send this message to this number. Now, as we can see, we are all set. So we are able to receive messages from Twilio on our WhatsApp. After sending the message, we can see at Twilio that message was received. So we are good to go. In this tutorial, we are going to use the Twilio number for sending messages for our WhatsApp. But it's also possible to use your own phone numbers with brand name. But it's important for you to know that you must have an account approved by WhatsApp. Now let's push the chains on Notifier EML. After pushing the chains, we can see at Actions on our repo that we have triggered our continuous integration. And now it has another step for WhatsApp. And as we can see, it took only 26 seconds and it was succeeded. So we just received a message on our WhatsApp. Now let's learn how to integrate with Slack. First, let's open Notifier EML. Now let's copy the instructions for notifying Slack on the article that I will leave the link in the description. Let's paste it here. And as you can see, we have a secret here that is the webhook URL. Let's find our URL and create the secret. On our Slack, let's create a new channel for our CI. And it needs to have the same name as the parameter Slack channel here on our Notifier EML. Let's select the drop-down menu on the channel name. Let's go to Integrations, Add App, select Incoming Webhook, select Settings, Add to Slack, and select the channel that we just created. Now select Add Integration. After doing this, we have this link that we are going to use on the secrets of our repo. So let's go to Settings, Secrets, Actions, New Repository Secret, and create a secret with this name, Slack webhook URL. And paste the link of the webhook URL that we just created on Slack. Now let's prepare and push to GitHub. Let's go to Actions, click on the last pipeline. As we can see, we are executing the 3 notifiers. That's it for today's video. If you have any comments, please let me know. And if I helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.